So today we prove these three formula. Basically, this may be the final last videos about trigonometric function integration. Okay. So what we already proved is this x times sine x and x times cosine ax. And we are going to use these two to solve these three. Okay, so mainly suppose we prove the first one. So this is x sine square ax, right? So yeah, so we can use the integration by part. So x, right? If x times f of prime x can be equal to x f of x minus the integration of f of x dx. Right? This is just the integration by part. So this term can be written as, right? So basically we need to find something. So this is one way to solve it is basically we just try to use this, but what we can do is, right, we can write x equals to 1 minus cosine 2ax dx. So basically this is the double angle formula. So we have the integration of half dx minus half x cosine 2ax dx. So the first term, this term is basically just x to the fourth, right? So we have this term, and this term x times cosine 2ax dx we already have. So basically we just let a to be 2a. So then we will have the rest two terms. So remember there's a minus sign here. So we prove. Okay. And about the second and the third, so notice that if I add it left, right, and I will get x squared dx, which is x2 cubed divided by 3, right? So basically, all we need to know is prove one of it, right? Suppose this one is proof, then this one is basically the same. Okay, so our goal now is basically prove this. Once we prove x squared sine squared, then we can use x squared minus this term and get this one. So how about we prove this? Okay, so x squared times sine 2ax, right? I can write as this. Right, so we do the same thing, right? Dx. Okay, so it's 2. Okay. Right. So the key point is that so it looks like that we get this. Right? We get this x squared dx minus half x squared cosine 2ax dx. And the key point is that we need to find what's going on. What's this one, right? But we already have the similar one. So let me just write down. So this is x cubed divided by 6 minus half x squared cosine 2ax dx. Okay, and we can use the integration by part. So this is 1 over 2a d dx sine 2ax. Okay, so this is 6 divided by half, right? So this is x squared 2a sine 2ax minus sine 2ax 2x. Okay, so this is this one. Okay, so 2x sine 2ax dx. And then we use the formula what we have already proved is x times sine ax and change a to 2a. And then we can plug it in. Okay, and after just carefully change just carefully check one by one, then you can check this one. Combine these three terms, then you will get exactly this one. Okay, basically that's the strategy and the proof, and I will let care for computation exercise. But basically that's it. Okay, I will see you guys in the final video of the trigonometric integration.